Dear students, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my YouTube channel Japji Infotech. In today's video, we will revise Term 2 syllabus of Chapter 1 to Chapter 9 of Computer Science Class 12. In this video, we will learn 1, 4 and 6 mark question from Chapter 1 to Chapter 9. So let's start the video. Now we look at the number distribution of the lesson according to the 12 syllabus. As you can see, from chapter 1 to chapter 9, 50 marks are shown divided according to the chapter. Similarly, 1 mark question are also shown according to the syllabus, and 4 marks question will come from lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 4, lesson 6 and lesson 7 respectively. And question with 6 mark will come from lesson 3 and lesson 5. So in the 4 marks and 6 mark column, wherever letter C is written, it indicates that 2 questions will come out of this chapter and one of them will have to be written. So in this video, we start learning the questions and their answer. So keeping in mind the number division. So let's start the video. So we will now learn about multiple choice question of 1 marks. So the first question is, Dash is a word processor software and their option are MS Windows, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Word. And the right answer is MS Word is a word processor software. And the second one is, to check spelling and grammar, dash key is used. And their option are Control plus F7, Alt plus F7, F7 or Shift plus F7. And the right answer is, to check spelling and grammar, F7 key is used. And third one is, dash option in MS Word changes the structure and layout of pages. And their option are Format, Print and Print Preview, Page Setup, and the last one is Proofing. And the right answer is, Page Setup option in MS Word changes the structure and layout of pages. And the fourth one is, dash is electronic spreadsheet software used for automated calculation. And their option are MS Windows, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint or MS Word. And the right answer is MS Excel is electronic spreadsheet software used for automated calculation. And the fifth one is, dash refers to changing the font, style, size, color, bold, italic, underline and other related parameters. And their option are formatting, alignment, proofing, and the last one is filtering. And the right answer is formatting refers to changing the font, style, size, color, bold, italic, underline, and other related parameters. The sixth one is, which of the following statement is also called as conditional statement? And their option are for, break, if, and the last one is while. And the right answer is, if statement is also called as conditional statement. And the seventh one is, switch case is similar to dash statement. And their option are if else, if else if, break, and the last one is go to. And the right answer is, switch case is similar to if else if statement. And the eighth one is, which statement can be used to terminate a case in switch statement? And their option are continue, go to, if, and the last one is break. And the right answer is, break statement can be used to terminate a case in switch statement. And the ninth one is, which of the following is an example of a post-test loop? And their option are for, while, do while, and the last one is continue. And the right answer is, do while is an example of a post-test loop. And the 10th one is, which of the following is not a jumping statement? And their option are while, continue, go to, break. And the right answer is, while is not a jumping statement. And the 11th one is, a computer dash is a set of computers that are connected together. And their option are network, system, protocol, and the last one is internet. And the right answer is, a computer network is a set of computers that are connected together. And the 12th one is, a dash is basically a multi-port repeater. And their option are hub, switch, router, and the last one is bridge. And the right answer is a hub is basically a multi-port repeater. And the 13th one is a dash is a 2-port device, and their option are hub, switch, router, and the last one is bridge. And the right answer is a bridge is a 2-port device. And the 14th one is Wi-Fi stand for dash, and the option are wireless field, wireless fidelity, wire fire, and the last one is wire fidelity. And the right answer is Wi-Fi stand for wireless fidelity. And the 15th one is a dash is a combination of a bridge and a router, and the option are switch, bridge, hub, router. And the right answer is a router is a combination of a bridge and a router. And the 16th one is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices such as hardware and software are used to create, dash, secure, and exchange electronic data. And their option are access, process, define, and the last one is save. And the right answer is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices such as hardware and software are used to create, process, secure, and exchange electronic data. And the 7th one is with the introduction of online education services, students can learn from anywhere using the dash, and their option are internet, electricity, 5G technology, and the last one is email. And the right answer is with the introduction of online education services, students can learn from anywhere using the internet. And the 18th number is Android operating system is a dash operating system, and their option are computer, mobile, technology, and virtual reality. Android operating system is a mobile operating system. And the 19th one is cloud computing is a kind of dash based computing, and their option are big data, IoT, internet, and Bluetooth. And the right answer is cloud computing is a kind of internet based computing. 20th one is who brought the concept of AI, and their option are Victor Alice, Marvin Minsky, Alan Turing, John McCarthy. And the right answer is John McCarthy brought the concept of artificial intelligence. And the 21st is which type of artificial intelligence focuses on single set of abilities and perform a particular task. And the option are super artificial intelligence, narrow artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, or none of these. And the right answer is narrow artificial intelligence focuses on single set of abilities and perform a particular task. The 22nd one is which one of artificial intelligence type does not have memory for data storage. And their option are limited memory, reactive machines, things of mind, or the last one is self-awareness. And the right answer is reactive machine of artificial intelligence type does not have memory for data storage. And the 23rd one is the conversion of natural language into computer understandable form. And their option are intrusion reduction, machine translation, identification, or none of these. And the right answer is the conversion of natural language into computer understandable form is called machine translation. And the 24th one is the core of the expert system, which by applying set of rules and draw the result of the user question is the function of dash. And the option are inference engine, knowledge base, user interface, or none of these. And the right answer is the core of the expert system, which by applying set of rules and draw the result of the user question is the function of inference engine. And 25th one is place where knowledge from the human expert is collected. And their option are domain expert, knowledge base, user, or all of these. And the right answer is place where knowledge from the human expert is collected is called domain expert. And the 26th one is robot which provide help for analyzing the collected data are, and their option are healthcare robot, domestic robot, military robot, and the last one is research robot. So the right answer is robot which provide help for analyzing the collected data are called research robot. And 27th one is dash is the process to convert information into computer readable form. And the option are e-learning, e-commerce, digitization, and the last one is net banking. And the right answer is digitization is the process to convert information into computer readable form. And 28th one is dash is mean to be online buying and selling of goods. And the option are e-commerce, DigiLocker, digital payment, or none of these. And the right answer is e-commerce is mean to be online buying and selling of goods. And 29th one is easiest and convenient way for cashless payment is dash, and the option are digitalization, storage, offline, and the last one is digital payment. And the right answer is easiest and convenient way for cashless payment is called digital payment. And the 30th one is dash store only those educational certificates issued by educational institute through digital mode. And their option are Swayam, NAD, MOOC, and the last one is DigiLocker. And the right answer is NAD store only those educational certificates issued by educational institute through digital mode. And the 31st one is dash is a type of e-commerce which involve company and customer. And their option are B2B, B2C, C2C, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is B2C is a type of e-commerce which involves company and customer. And the 32nd one is the online services of government is called, and their option are public welfare service, democracy services, e-governance, and the last one is internet services. And the right answer is the online service of government is called e-governance. And the 33rd one is G2C stand for, and their option are government to employee, government to citizens, government to businessmen, and the last one is government to government. And the right answer is G2C stand for government to citizens. And the 34th one is the modern form of e-governance services is, and their option are e-business, e-commerce, e-services, and the last one is smart governance. And the right answer is the modern form of e-governance services is called smart governance. And the 35th one is how many digits are there in Aadhaar card number, and their option are 14, 12, 16, and last one is 10. And the right answer is 12 digits are there in Aadhaar card number. And 36th one is which one is the part of information system, and their option are database and procedure, network, hardware and software, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is all of these is the part of the information system. And 37th one is dash tool allow us to select a drawing with a free hand, and their option are fuzzy selection, lasso, text, and the last one is bucket fill. And the right answer is lasso tool allow us to select a drawing with a free hand. And 38th one is shift plus C is a shortcut for dash, and their option are to create duplicate image, to delete layer, to copy of an image, and the last one is to crop an image. And the right answer is shift plus C is a shortcut for to crop an image. And the 39th one is scale option is used to change the dash of an image, and the option are color, size, area, or all of these. And the right answer is scale option is used to change the size of an image. And the 40th one is dash is known as group of sheets looking at each other, and their option are masking tools, layer, or none of these. And the right answer is layers is known as group of sheets looking at each other. And the 41st one is dash helps to make a duplicate copy of the active layer, and their option are smudge tool, dodge tool, perspective tool, or duplicate layer. And the right answer is duplicate layer helps to make a duplicate copy of the active layer. And the 42nd one is in order for the computer to play audio files different dash are required. And the option are video codec, audio codec, both A and B or none. And the right answer is in order for the computer to play audio files, different audio codecs are required. And the 43rd one is dash format is a common audio format that is played extensively on electronic devices, and their option are WMV, AVI, MP3 or CDA. And the right answer is MP3 format is a common audio format that is played extensively on electronic devices. And the 44th one is audio files are stored on the audio CD in dash format, and their option are FLV, AAC, MOV or CDA. And the right answer is audio files are stored on the audio CD in CDA format. The 45th one is the effect applied between two video clips is called dash, and their option are sound, video, video transition, and the last one is photo. And the right answer is the effect applied between two video clips is called video transition. And the 46th one is the process of dividing the video into section is called dash, and the option are merging, splitting, compressing, and the last one is decompressing. And the right answer is the process of dividing the video into section is called splitting. So now we will learn about fill in the blank. First fill in the blank is dash and dash function used to find the maximum and minimum value in a range, and the right answer is min and max function used to find the maximum and minimum value in a range. Second one is filter option is available in dash tab of Excel, and the right answer is filter option is available in data tab of Excel. And the third one is if the cursor is placed at the end of the file, then dash button is pressed to delete the text. And the right answer is if the cursor is placed at the end of the file, then backspace button is pressed to delete the text. And the fourth one is two options of orientation for page setup are dash and dash, and the right answer is two options of orientation for page setup are portrait and landscape. And the fifth one is dash symbol is used to start any formula in Excel calculation, and the right answer is equal sign symbol is used to start any formula in Excel calculation. And the sixth one is in dash loop the control condition are tested before the body of the loop, and the right answer is in pre-test loop the control condition are tested before the body of the loop. And the seventh one is in dash loop the control condition are tested after the body of the loop, and the right answer is in post-test loop the control condition are tested after the body of the loop. And the eighth one is dash statement is used to skip some statement inside the loop, and the right answer is in continuous statement is used to skip some statement inside the loop. Ninth one is dash is a multi-way conditional control statement, and the right answer is switch case is a multi-way conditional control statement. And 10th one is the break statement can be used to eliminate a case in the dash statement, and the right answer is the break statement can be used to eliminate a case in the switch case statement. And the 11th one is artificial intelligence is divided into two types, dash and dash, and the right answer is artificial intelligence is divided into two types, type 1 and type 2. And the 12th one is dash is a chess playing computer developed by IBM, and the right answer is Deep Blue is a chess playing computer developed by IBM. And the 13th one is dash is a good example of narrow artificial intelligence, and the right answer is Apple Siri is a good example of narrow artificial intelligence. And the 14th one is dash machine have no memory, and the option are, and the answer is machine learning machine have no memory. And 15th one is Mycene and dash are example of earlier expert system, and the right answer is Mycene and Deandral are example of earlier expert system. The 16th one is dash generation robot are smart as humans, and the right answer is fourth generation robots are smart as humans. And a 17 one is the services and facilities of e-governance is divided into dash part, and the right answer is the services and facilities of e-governance is divided into 3 parts. And the 18th one is dash gives a unique identity to Indian citizens, and the right answer is Aadhaar number gives a unique identity to Indian citizens. And the 19th one is in Punjab at village level dash gives e-governance services, and the right answer is in Punjab at village level Seva or Suvidha Center gives e-governance services. And the 20th one is dash is used to solve difficult problems, and the right answer is expert system is used to solve difficult problems. And the 21st one is smart card are symbol of dash, and the right answer is smart card are symbol of smart governance. And the 22nd one is to resize the layer dash tool is used, and the right answer is to resize the layer scale tool is used. And the 23rd one is to move the layer dash tool is used, and the right answer is to move the layer move tool is used. And the 24th one is to remove object from canvas dash tool is used, and the right answer is to remove object from canvas magic wand tool is used. And 25th one is the quality of the picture decreases when the picture is dash, and the right answer is the quality of the picture decreases when the picture is scaled. And 26th one is an important part of the image window is a dash where the picture is shown, and the right answer is an important part of the image window is canvas where the picture is shown. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So first question is write the full form of WYSI WYG. So the full form of Viz is what you see is what you get. And the second one is write the shortcut key to move text in Word document, and the right answer is Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. And the third one is write the name of 4 type of alignment. So the 4 type of alignment are left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify alignment. And the fourth one is which Excel function is used to continue content from different cells into one cell, and the right answer is concatenate. Fifth one is write the name of any 2 font that can be used to type in Punjabi language. So the right answer is Anmol Lipi, Asis, Joy, and Ravi font can be used to type in Punjabi language. And the sixth one is writing if statement within another if it is called as, and the right answer is nested if. And the seventh one is which statement in C programming are used for altering the normal flow of a program, and the right answer is branching control statement in C language are used for altering the normal flow of a program. And the eighth one is which statement is sometimes desirable to skip some statement inside the loop, and the right answer is continuous statement is sometimes desirable to skip some statement inside the loop. And the ninth one is which statement provide a way to repeat command, and the right answer is go to statement provide a way to repeat command. And 10th one is write the full form of UIDAI, and the right answer is Unique Identification Authority of India. And the 11th one is name any 2 information system, and the right answer is Management Information System and Decision Support System. And the 12th one is write the name of different level of e-governance. So the name of the different level of e-governance are, the first one is international, second one is domestic, and the third one is national level. And 13th one is write the full form of G2G, and the right answer is G2G stand for government to government. And the 14th one is write the full form of TPS, and TPS stand for transaction processing system. So now we will learn about full form. So first question is UTP, and UTP stand for unshielded twisted pair. Second one is FTP. FTP stand for file transfer protocol. Third one is SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Fourth one is POP. POP stands for Post Office Protocol. Fifth one is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Sixth one is MAC. MAC stands for Media Access Control Address. And seventh one is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. Eighth one is VR. VR stands for Virtual Reality. Ninth one is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. 10th one is IT. IT stands for Information Technology. 11th one is GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. 12th one is AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. 13th one is GAI. GAI stands for General Artificial Intelligence. 14th one is NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. 15th one is SAI. SAI stands for Strong Artificial Intelligence. 16th one is GIF. GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format. 17th one PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. 18th one is TIFF. TIFF stands for Tag Image File Format. 19th one is JPG. JPG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Bureau. 20th one is PSD. PSD stands for Photoshop Document. 21 is BMP. BMP stands for Bitmap Picture. And 22nd one is MP4. MP4 stands for Moving Picture Expert Group Layer 4. And 23rd one is MP3. MP3 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 3. And 24th one is WMV. WMV stands for Window Media Video. And 25th one is FLV. FLV stands for Flash Video. And 26th one is AVI. AVI stands for Audio Video Interleave. So now we will learn about true or false in class 12. So first true false is the process of making a movie is divided into 5 stages. Wrong. Second one is video editing works with only one video clips. Wrong. Third one is merging a video means splitting the clip into several parts. Wrong. Fourth one is it is advisable to save the project before starting the process of exporting video file. Right. Fifth one is MPEG video format uses different compression for audio and video tracks. Right. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So all these questions are of 4 marks. So the first question is, what is Excel? So Microsoft Excel is a powerful electronic spreadsheet program that lets you store data, perform calculation, draw conclusion, create graph, report data that look like a professional, publish data on a website, and access real-time data and facilitate access. And second one is explain formatting in detail. So formatting text means changing the style of the font, in which we can change the appearance of the text by formatting, increasing and decreasing the font size. So changing the color of the text, bolding the text, italicizing, underlining, etc. And the third one is explain print and print preview option. So print preview is a feature that indicates how a document will look before it is printed on paper. With the print command, we can print document by setting the printer selection, paper size, page orientation, etc. And the fourth one is, what are formulas in MS Excel? And the right answer is, in MS Excel, we can use formula to calculate school result, grading, and student fees, etc. The formula always start with the equal sign. So example of formulas are equal to D12 plus D13, equal to A4 minus A5, equal to C5 plus D5 into E2. And the fifth one is, what do you know about the formula bar in Excel? So formula bar is one of the most important component of the MS Excel. The formula bar is located at the top of the Excel window and at the bottom of the ribbon as shown in the right side of the window. The formula bar has two parts. The first part is the name box, which represents the address of the cell, and the second part is the function, which represents the type data or formula. And sixth one is, what are margin? So margin is the space between text and the edge of a document. the margin of a new document is set to normal and it has 4 parts. The first one is called top margin, second one is bottom margin, third one is left margin, and the fourth one is right margin as shown in the right side of the picture. So the document defines these 4 margins as 1 inch, which we can change to suit our needs. And seventh one is define branching, name the different control statement. And their answer is statement who select one branch or another during the course of a program are called a branching statement. These statements are used for decision making or to choose from more than one. The branching statement is further divided into 2 parts. The first one is conditional control statement and second one is multi-way conditional control statement. And the 8th one is what is looping? Name 3 different types of looping statement. And the right answer is looping statements are also called iterative statement. There may be situation in program when we need to execute a block of statement multiple times. In such cases, the loop provides us with a way to repeat the statement and they also control how often the statement will be repeated. The different type of looping statement are the first one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. And the ninth one is what is nested if statement. Write its syntax. So when a statement block of another if condition or a statement block of another if else condition is used, it is called as nested if statement. In this way, we can say that the block of internal statement will work when the condition of the external statement and the condition of the internal statement should be corrected or true. The syntax of if nested if statement are if left parenthesis expression or condition 1, then close right parenthesis, then left brace, then execute when condition 1 is true. If left parenthesis expression or condition, then right parenthesis, then left brace, block 1 of statement, then close both internal and external if right brace. Our 10th question is what is if else statement? Write a program of if else statement. So we can also control the status of execution of a statement through if else statement. When we have to make a decision based on 2 or more conditions or get a program to do something special, we use the if else statement. In this case, if the if condition proves to be correct, the if block is applied and the else section is omitted, and in case of misrepresentation of the statement, only the else section has to be applied. So here is the program. And the 11th one question is what is while statement? Write its syntax. So while loop is a pre-test loop and this loop can be used to repeat a statement over and over again. Only the test condition is defined in that while loop. The initial part of the loop is defined before the while loop and the step size of the loop is declared inside the while loop. In while loop, statement get executed as long as the condition is true. So here is the syntax of the while loop. 12th question is what is information technology? Information technology is an area in which computer or other physical components such as hardware and software are used to create, process, store, and exchange information. Information technology encompasses all type of technology such as commercial data, voice, conversation, photos, motion pictures, multimedia, presentation, information creation, storage, conversation, and their use. And certain one is give name of any 4 current trend in information technology. So the name of the 4 current trend in information technology are the first one is GPS technology, second one is Wi-Fi technology, third one is Bluetooth technology, fourth one is e-commerce, and fifth one is m-commerce. And the 14th one question is define Bluetooth technology. So Bluetooth is a wireless local area network technology that allows all type of media files to be sent or received wirelessly via Bluetooth. This technology is used to transmit information over short distances in phone, laptop, personal computer, printer, digital camera, mobile phone, webcam, GPS, car, keyboard, mice, etc. And 15th one is define GPS technology. The full form of GPS is global positioning system, and one GPS is available in every smartphone. GPS technology used to find the geographical location of any place or location, and it is a global navigation satellite system. It can be used to find the distance or route of any two places and is also used to locate or map out nearby institution, hotel, offices, etc. And the 16th one is defined multimedia technology. Multimedia include all the technology that helps create or display multimedia content, combining images, audio, video, and text into a single application software. Multimedia technology include those interactive computer-based applications that allow people to exchange information in digital and print media. And 71 is defined 5G technology. So 5G is the next generation wireless technology, which is many times better than 3G and 4G. The 5G mobile network will connect people as well as connect and control machines and devices. The 5G network can be up to 100 times faster than 4G, and it can transmit data at speed of up to 20 gigabyte per second over a wireless broadband connection. With the help of 5G, one movie can be downloaded in 1 minute. And the 18th one is, what is digitalization? Digitalization is the process of converting information into a single medium that is computer readable and computer manageable, through which information is stored in bits. So digitization allows images, document, audio, video, etc. to be converted to digital medium through various computer devices. And the 19th one is describe net banking. Net banking is also called internet banking. After availing the facility of net banking, the customer can transfer money from home to his bank account, pay bills, transfer money to another account, and view his bank account statement, etc. A unique username and password for the use of net banking is issued to the user after the customer goes to the bank and fills in the application form to avail the facility of net banking. The 20th one is, what do you mean by e-commerce? E-commerce is also called e-commerce or internet commerce. E-commerce means buying or selling goods on the internet, using services, making money, etc. This facility has given a new direction to the business and the business has flourished. Example of website for buying or selling product under e-commerce are Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, OLX, and Quicker, etc. And the 21st one question is, name type of e-commerce. So type of e-commerce are, the first one is business to business, second one is business to consumer, third one is consumer to consumer, fourth one is consumer to business. And the 22nd one is, write down the benefit of online payment. So the benefit of online payment are, the first one is easy and convenient, second one is money transaction anytime and anywhere, third one is saving with digital payments, and the 23rd one is describe DigiLocker. DigiLocker helps eliminate the use of paper document and enable the sharing of e-document between government agency through an enhancement for online authentication of document. DigiLocker provides access to authentic virtual document. It is a digital document vault where you can store your documents such as driving license, PAN card, voter ID, policy document, etc. You can also upload documents and keep them safe when you sign up for a DigiLocker account. And the 24th one is, what is e-learning? E-learning, also known as online learning or electronic learning, is the acquisition of knowledge through electronic technology and media. E-learning is taught electronically. E-learning is conducted on the internet where students can access their learning material online at any place and time. E-learning is often in the form of online courses, online degrees, or online programs. And 25th one is, what is digital or online payment? Online payment are also called digital or e-payment or electronic payment. This is an easy and fastest way to make cashless payment in which payments are made through digital medium. Both the payer and the receiver use digital media. Money transfer, purchase of goods, mobile or dish recharge, payment of electricity, water or mobile bills, etc. can be done easily and quickly through digital payment. And 26th one is, what are the three levels of e-governance? Give detail. The three levels of e-governance are as follows. The first one is domestic or state level. Second one is national level. Third one is interstate level. And 27th one question is, in brief, describe smart governance. The modern form of e-governance is called smart governance. In this, smart means attractive or active, and governance means governance. Smart governance is the effective, easily accessible, and equitable provision of services to the citizen by any democratic government, which contribute to the public welfare and economic development of the country. Smart governance is the use of new technology for good planning and good decision making in a technological institution and democracy. And 28th one is, write down any 4 uses of Aadhaar card. The uses of Aadhaar card are as under. The first one is to make a PAN card, to open a bank account, to get gas connection and subsidy, to get a mobile SIM card or telephone connection. And 29th one is, what are the different parts of information system? The different part of information system are, the first one is hardware. This component include the physical component of a computer such as monitor, keyboard, mice, etc. that work together. And second one is software. This component include all the programs that can be used to process data using hardware. And third one is database. This partition is used to store data in file format. And fourth one is network. This section share resources, information and data in the information system. And fifth one is procedure. This section covers the method and procedure used to obtain information by processing data in the information system. And 30th one is, what is the Seva or Suvidha Kendra? Describe. And the answer is, the government has set up various help centers at district, block, city and village level to provide e-services and facility through e-governance. These help centers are called Seva Kendra or Suvidha Kendra. Through Seva Kendra, we can make residency certificate, caste certificate, birth and death certificate, income certificate, Aadhaar card, religious certificate, registry, copy of mutation, pay online electricity or telephone bill, vehicle registration certificate, etc. So now we will learn about long answer type question, which is of 6 marks. So first question is, what are network layer? Describe any 3 network devices. A network device is the hardware used to build a network. This network can be a small network used in a home or office, or a large network used in large buildings. So different type of network devices are, the first one is hub. A hub is a networking device that transmits data to each computer or connected Ethernet based device. When a computer in a network requests a particular computer for information, the hub receives that request and sends it to the main computer. The hub performs the task of duplicating data packets received from a single port, making them available on group port and allowing data sharing between group devices connected to it. Second one is switch. A switch is a device that transfers data packets between many network devices such as computer, router, server or other switches. The switch contains a buffer which increases the efficiency and performance of the switch. The switch can also check for any error before forwarding the data, and this feature makes it very effective as it does not forward the packet that contain error, but only send the correct packet to the correct port. And the third one is repeater or router. A router is a hardware device that acts as a network gateway in a network and is responsible for the flow of data in a network and the connection of the network to the internet. A router is a switch-like device that sends data packet to a network based on their IP or internet protocol address. A router is primarily a network layer device. And the second one is, what is unguided media? write any two media. So in unguided media, signals are sent independently in group direction without the use of cables. Unguided media transfer data using electromagnetic wave without the use of physical conductor. Unguided media communication is a data signal that flow through the air. These media are not categorized for adoption or guidance by any channel. These are categorized by type of wave propagation. So the type of unguided media, the first one is infrared. Infrared is a type of wireless mobile technology used to communicate over a small area. The major drawback of infrared communication is that it operates according to the line of sight principle, and its transmission range is limited, due to which its signal cannot cross any wall in its path. Infrared cannot be used for long distance communication as its use is limited to enclosed spaces. The use of infrared does not require government approval. The second one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a type of radio communication technology that enables a low power and short distance wireless networking between phones, computer, and other network devices. The process used to connect two Bluetooth devices is called pairing. Personal computer and other devices can be connected using a Bluetooth dongle. Bluetooth network use a dynamic topology called Piconet. Signal sent via Bluetooth can transmit up to 30 feet. And third one is Wi-Fi. The full name of Wi-Fi is Wireless Fidelity, and it is called Wireless Local Area Network. Wi-Fi enable local area network to operate without cable and wiring. Using Wi-Fi, we can exchange information between two or more devices connected to the same network. Wi-Fi is designed for mobile computing devices, but is now used in electronics such as television, DVD player, and even digital cameras. And the third one is what is twisted pair cable, and define its advantages and disadvantages. And the answer is twisted pair cabling consists of two different insulated copper wires, and these two wires appear to be wrapped around each other. One wire in each pair is used for data transfer and other wire for earthing. These two insulated copper wires are twisted around each other to reduce crosstalk between the wires. This wire is flexible and can easily connect to any device. This cable can transfer data up to a distance of 1 kilometer or more with a speed of 1 or 2 megabit per second. The shorter the distance of this cable, the higher the speed of data transfer. So the advantages of twisted pair cable are: the first one is these cable can be used for both analog and digital transmission. Second one is these distances are cheaper for shorter distance. Third one is if any part of the network is damaged, the entire network is not down. And disadvantages of twisted pair cable are: the first one is the signal cannot travel long distance without the use of repeaters. The error rate is higher at a distance of more than 100 meters. Very thin wire break easily, so this wire is not suitable for broadband connection. And the fourth one is what is fiber optical cable? Define its advantages and disadvantages. This cable is made of thousands of thin fiber of glass. One fiber of each glass is as thin as a thread through which light can be transferred. In it, a ray of light is sent at a speed of 1 million bits per second. A fiber cable can transmit a few television signals and thousands of telephone line signals. The size and weight of this cable is less than that of a coaxial cable, and the data transfer rate is also 10 times higher than that of a coaxial cable. So advantages of fiber optical cable are: the first one is a single mode fiber can be used in place of large and heavy copper wire. It's suitable for high bandwidth, industrial and noisy area. Third one is it does not weaken data signal and can be sent over long distances. So disadvantages of fiber optic cable are: the first one is optical fiber cable is expensive. Optical fiber cable has to be polished so that light can be sent with little damage. Third one is light wave are unidirectional. So full duplex communication require two frequencies. And the fifth one is what is communication mode? Define its type. The process of transferring data or information between two devices connected to a network is called communication mode. They also indicate the direction of signal flow between connected devices. So there are three types of communication mode. The first one is simplex mode. In simplex, the transmission of data is one direction, meaning notification can only go in one direction and a signal cannot be sent back to the sender due to one-way traffic. Only one of the two connected devices can transfer data and the other device can receive data. And its example are keyboard, mouse and television. And the second one is half duplex mode. In half duplex, the data is transmitted between two devices, meaning both the sender and receiver can send data to each other, but the data can be sent in the same direction at the same time. This transmission is used when the data transmission is not required at the same time. So its example are walkie-talkie. The third one is full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, sender and receiver can transmit data simultaneously through full duplex. In a full duplex, the data transmission capability is divided into two parts so that both can transmit data. And the sixth one is what are the applications of artificial intelligence? So the area of use of artificial intelligence are, the first one is AI used to build intrusion detection system. For example, a firewall program in the operating system that automatically block unauthorized website. Second one is AI used in gaming field. In particular, it play an important role in strategic games such as chess, tic-tac-toe. Third one is AI play an important role in systems that process natural languages. For example, human interactive computer system that can understand and process human language. Fourth one is AI is used to build weight system. These systems are able to understand and analyze the visual input on the computer. And its example are spy drones. And the fifth one is AI used in the construction of specialized system. Sixth one is AI used to build intelligent robot. Seventh one is AI used in the construction of machine learning system. And the seventh one is what is the importance of AI? So the importance of artificial intelligence are, the first one is game playing. From virtual reality to games to modern game, it is one of the industry where artificial intelligence has made the biggest leap. Bots are always there to play with you, so you don't need another person to play. The level of personal detail and graphics is also possible due to the advent of artificial intelligence and is taking the industry to a whole new level. Second one is banking and financial institution. So artificial intelligence is playing an important role in managing financial transactions and managing many other activities in the bank. The day-to-day operation of banks such as transaction and financial operation, stock market money and their management etc. are being carried out in a very simple and efficient manner by these machine learning models. And third one is voice recognition. So artificial intelligence technology recognize the words spoken by the user and convert or respond to the text. This is also called speech recognition. Google, for example, asks us to speak on a mobile or computer and respond to the user by analyzing it. Apple series software is also a good example of voice recognition. And fourth one is computer vision and analysis. Computer vision 3D present real world information in a three-dimensional way. Computer vision helps in identifying pattern. It automatically gathers information from images, pictures and pattern and provide us with information. And the eighth one is what are the pros and cons of artificial intelligence? So the advantages of artificial intelligence are AI-based system enhance performance. These systems perform complex tasks without errors. Second one is AI-based system can work for a long time without any rest. These systems are not as sick as human and do not take leave. And third one is machines are emotionless. So emotional barrier cannot stop machine or robot from working. And fourth one is there is no possibility of error in the operation of these systems. And the disadvantages of artificial intelligence are, the first one is there is no empathy in machines. Excessive use of these systems will increase unemployment. If these systems break down, important data stored in them will also be lost. These systems can be misused if they fall into the wrong hand. And the ninth one is discuss the characteristics of expert system. So the feature of expert system are, the first one is expertise. So expert systems specialize in a specific area. For example, the medicine system specialize in the treatment of blood infections. Second one is quick response time. Expert system provide quick answer to the question being asked. Third one is reliability. No mistakes are made by expert system, so they are reliable. Fourth one is decision quality. Expert systems are capable of making high quality decisions. And the fifth one is consistency. The expert system always answer the same questions. And sixth one is low cost. It reduces the cost of seeking expert advices for different areas such as medical examination. So students, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get notification of more video like this. Thank you.